How do I circle in Adobe Acrobat? So you have got the PDF and you are thinking, a circle here would be a perfect. No worries. Adding a circle in Adobe Acrobat is simple and quick. Let's dive into it. First things first, ensure you have Adobe Acrobat opened on your document ready. Now what you have to do is head over to this Find Text and Tools, which is right over here. Tap on it and search for circle. You can find the circle under the tool section too. However, you may not see a toolbar over here. So I'm showing it to you from here. Simply tap on circle. Let me show you. It falls under add comments. Tap on it. That already gave your cursor a circle. Now what you have to do is place the cursor where you want to add a circle. For example, I want to add a circle over here. Simply tap on it and just drag it and make it to the shape which you want to. Maybe this is a perfect circle for me. Then leave your cursor. And ta-da! You have successfully added a circle in your Adobe PDF. If you want to change the color of your PDF, you can do it from here. You can see a color icon over here. And if you want to increase the thickness of the line thickness, you can simply tap on this and increase the line thickness. And there you have it, an easy way to add circles to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Keep tweaking those documents and remember, practice makes perfect. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.